Alright, so today I figured I'd head out to Fort Macon Beach to catch a few flounder or sea trout for dinner, but unfortunately I've arrived during a dead tide, which typically shuts down fishing. This is especially true for flounder. They tend to bite really good when there's a little current moving from either an incoming or outgoing tide, with my preference being the first hour of an outgoing. The fish just seem to always pick up during this time frame. So I'm just going to give a quick rundown on what I'm using. I have a 3/4 ounce bucktail with a 3/0 owner hook attached about 15 inches up from that by a dropper loop. All this is on a 3-foot fluorocarbon leader, which is then attached to my main line, which is 15-pound test braid. Now the way I fish this rig is by keeping the bucktail on the bottom at all times and retrieving it very slowly but with rapid jigging action the entire time. If you want a more detailed explanation of this rig, I'll put a link in the description below to John Skinner's channel. He pioneered this setup and is the reason why I use it today and haven't looked back since. It also works great with most saltwater species, as you're about to see.
Whoa! What are you? I can't even work them. Another false albacore.
About 20 minutes go by without much action, but this time the tide starts heading out and the bite really starts to heat up. I end up losing a large flounder and landed this small sea trout, but as things start getting good, I hook into a large fish and my night ends pretty quickly.
What the hell is this? What the hell is this thing? This is huge. He's not pulling any drag. He's just slowly coming in. I think it's a big ray. Oh, wow. Look at that thing. Oh, look how big that is. Come on. There you go. That sucks. Whatever.